In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Past Due Meralco Bill using GCash. Before we start, make sure you have your Meralco bill in front of you and enough balance in your GCash wallet to cover the full amount. A stable internet connection helps the process go smoothly, and having your email ready will ensure you receive a digital receipt right after payment. Open your GCash app on your phone. From the home screen, look for the Bills option and tap it. This takes you to the Bills Payment section where you can pay different types of services without leaving the app. Next, choose Electric Utilities. This category lists electricity providers so you can quickly find the one you need. Use the search bar and type Meralco, then select Meralco from the results. You'll be taken to a form where you'll enter your billing details. Start with the amount. Enter the exact amount shown on your Meralco bill. Don't convert the currency or change the figure in any way. Type it exactly as it appears on your statement to avoid payment issues or delays. Paying the precise amount is especially important for past due bills, so your account can be updated correctly. Now enter your Meralco account number. You'll find this on your bill. Type it carefully and double-check each digit before moving on. Accuracy here ensures your payment is posted to the correct account. After that, enter your email address. This is where your payment confirmation will be sent. It's a convenient way to keep a record of your transaction, and it can be helpful if you ever need to reference the payment later. Once all the details are in and you've reviewed them for accuracy, tap Next. You'll see a summary of your payment. Take a moment to confirm the amount, the account number, and your email address. If everything looks correct, proceed to confirm the payment. The app will process your transaction. Keep the app open until you see the confirmation screen. You should receive a confirmation message in the app along with a reference number. An email receipt will also arrive at the address you entered. Hold on to these details for your records. If your bill was past due, posting times can vary, so allow a little time for Meralco's system to reflect your payment. That's it. Your past due Meralco bill is paid through GCash. Following these steps carefully helps ensure your payment is accurate, timely, and properly documented. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process quick and stress-free.